Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic called Monetary Policy Committee. It was first proposed by Urjit Patel Committee. The RBI Act 1934 was amended by Finance Act 2016 to constitute MPC to bring more transparency and accountability in fixing India's monetary policy. The primary objective of the monetary policy is to maintain price stability while also keeping in mind the objective of growth. It is also responsible for fixing the benchmark interest rate in India, that is, policy repo rate, to contain inflation within the specified target level. The committee comprises 6 members, 3 officials of RBI including governor and 3 external members nominated by Government of India. The governor of RBI is the ex officio chairperson of this committee. The decisions are taken by majority, with the governor of RBI having the casting vote in case of tie. The meetings of MPC are held at least 4 times a year and it publishes its decisions after each such meeting. Next, the current mandate of the committee is to maintain CPI inflation within the target of 4 plus or minus 2%. This target is set every 5 years. The present target is until 31st March 2021. Also, the committee is answerable to Government of India if the inflation exceeds the range prescribed for 3 consecutive quarters. Remember, it is 3 consecutive quarters, not 3 consecutive months. Recently, in December 2019, the target has crossed 6%, that is, it has become 7.35% due to underlying food inflation. Now let us see a previous year question based on this. Which of the following statements is or are correct regarding the Monetary Policy Committee? 1. It decides the RBI's benchmark interest rates. This is true. The policy repo rate is decided by MPC. 2. It is a 12-member body including the governor of RBI and is reconstituted every year. This statement is false because it is a 6-member body including the governor. 3. It functions under the chairmanship of Union Finance Minister. This statement is also false because the chairman is RBI governor. So the answer is A, one only. Thank you.